Well, here we are back at Keto Naturopath Kitchen, and today a special treat. Anise or Anisette Biscotti. Growing up, there was a Stella D'Oro had an Anisette Toast that I absolutely loved. It wasn't always easy to find, and then I thought, I'm going to make a keto version of the Anisette Toast. So here is what I'm doing today. So you start off with 93 grams of pork rind flour. And I make my own pork rind flour. I buy Max pork rinds at Walmart and just make my own flour. So that's 93 grams. To that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of egg white powder, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of baking soda. And we're going to mix that together. So that's all of our dry ingredients. We're going to start adding our wet ingredients. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of anise extract. Anise, some people pronounce it. I love anise. My mother would make pizzellis for Christmas time, and I just loved it. You're going to add some stevia to taste. This is going to be the sweetener. I use Better Stevia. I'm using vanilla. Better Stevia has a lot of different flavors. I get all of my flavors at Wellevate. They have the most flavors available, and it's so good. So we'll just put that much. And we're going to taste later to make sure. Add 2 eggs. Oh, I can smell the anise. Oh, man, that is so good. A 1/2 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. A 1/2 tablespoon is 1½ teaspoons. And 2 teaspoons of coconut milk. You can use any non-dairy milk, or if you're not dairy-free, you can use heavy cream. I used to use hemp milk all the time, but I'm now liking coconut milk because you had to buy a big thing of hemp milk, and we don't really use it that often. This is my coconut milk. I use Thai Kitchen brand coconut milk, but I always put it in my ball canning jar because just to store it. All right, so now you're going to mix it all up until it's well incorporated. Oh, yum. Oh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. So let me just taste this to make sure it's sweet enough. It's plenty sweet. So this is what we're going to do. I have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and we're just going to plop it in. And I have to use my hands for this. You're going to form it into a log. Try to get it as even as possible. Now this goes in a 350 degree oven, 350 degree Fahrenheit, for 25 minutes. And then we're going to take it out, come back in 25 minutes, and I'll show you how we finish the biscotti. So I took this out of the oven. It was in there for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. I have reduced the temperature to 325. We're going to slice this and start making biscotti. But oh my gosh, you need to smell this. We need smell-o-YouTube. I was going to say smell-o-vision, but that's not a television. So you cut these on an angle. And I have a bread knife. And I think I'm probably making them about an inch thick. And then you're going to place them back on. And we're going to put these back in a 325-degree oven for 10 minutes. Then we're going to take them out, flip them over, and put them back in for 10 minutes. So I'll see you in 20 minutes. So they were in the oven for 10 minutes. I flipped them over, and in another 10 minutes, and they've just come out of the oven. Oh, they smell so good. So I have a cup of coffee, and I'm going to try one. I am in heaven. This tastes just like the Anisette Toast I used to eat as a kid. My hope is that Karl doesn't like these, and then I get them all to myself. But I will share if he likes them. But this anise biscotti or Anisette Toast is absolutely amazing.